Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Fortnite and heading straight to Settings Controller. Make sure you're in Creative or a low-stakes match so mistakes won't cost a game. Once there, locate Edit Aim Assist, Building Edit Hold, and Edit Confirm options. You'll change them now. Change one item at a time so you can feel the difference. This prevents confusing results. Write down your original values so you can revert if needed, and prepare to test each tweak immediately after applying it. Now you adjust the core inputs that make edits reliable. Turn Edit Confirm on if you want automatic placement, or off for manual control. You decide which feels cleaner. Then lower Edit Hold time and input threshold into the 0. 8 to 0. 12 range to reduce accidental edits while keeping responsiveness. Make small 5–10% increases to look and turn sensitivity to help flick and tile selection during edits. After each change, finish by practicing your new setup in a warm-up or 1v1 for at least 10 to 15 minutes to build muscle memory. If edits still feel off, revert to your saved originals and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the problem. Make sure your controller dead zones and remapping are correct. Hardware quirks can mimic software issues. If problems continue, clear cache or reinstall Fortnite as a last resort. Remember, small, incremental changes and repeated testing are how you lock in consistent edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.